let's go to page 583 and start with number 2. So this is graphing inequalities. So you got 3x plus y is less than 6. Okay, so first you need to go and get your intercept points. So if you let x equal to 0, again, when you find the intercept point, you want to treat this as an equal. Okay, so x equal to 0, then y will equal to 6, right? And then you do the y equal to 0, then divide both sides by 3, so you're going to get x equal to 2. Okay. And then so from there, again, you get your graph. Okay, so so first point is 0, 6. So 0, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's right up here. But because there's no equal, so it's going to be an open circle. Okay, so it's going to be an open circle. And 2, 0. Okay, it's going to be open circle. And because this is not, they don't have equal, so your line would be a dashed line. Okay. Okay. Then after that, you have to do the shading. Okay. So again, you choose any point that is not on the line. I'm going to choose this point over here, the 0, 0. Okay? So if you put a 0, 0 in here, you're going to get 0, 0. So you're going to get 0 is less than 6. Okay, you can substitute this into here. This side is all going to get 0. And that's why you want to choose 0, 0 because it's easy to evaluate. So this is true. Okay, 0 less than 6 is true. That means this point is true. That means this is good. So if this is good, then it means this side is good. So you share in this half. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 4. Okay, you have 5x minus 2y is greater than 10. Okay, so you can get your intercept points. So set x equal to 0. Divide both sides by -2, so you're going to get -5. Again, you can check. -2 times -5 give you 10. And then you do the opposite, so that y equal to 0, so that's gone. So this would be equal to 2, right? You can check. 5 times 2 give you 10. Okay? So your intercept points. Okay, then after that, you can go ahead and do the graphing. Okay, so first point is 0, -5, so it's right over here. Again, this is going to be an open circle. Okay, this 2, 0, this is going to be an open circle. And your line is going to be a dashed line. Again, there's no equal, right? So it's just inequalities will be dashed line. That means the points on this dashed line is not part of the answer. Okay, again, choose the point 0, 0 as my testing point. So put in here. I get 0 minus 0 greater than 10. So this is false. Okay, so that means this point is false. That means this is no good. So if this is no good, that means this is good. Okay, again, you want to test if the point is good or bad. If it's good, then this side is good. If it's bad, then it means this side is bad. Then you have to graph the shading the other side. Okay. Okay, number 6. You have x is less than or equal to 3. So this one you don't really need to get the equation. Remember, when you have only one variable, okay, this is going to be a vertical line. So you're just going to get 3. So 1, 2, 3. So think of it x equal to 3, right? So it's going to be like this. Okay. So again, this is x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, and just make it longer. And you want everything that's less than or equal to that. That means you're looking for this right over here. Okay, so that's your graph. Okay, number 8. You have y is greater than or equal to -3. Okay, when y equal to a number, it's going to be a horizontal line. So y equal to -3. So this is going to be a solid line, so it's going to be like this. Okay? And it's going to be anything greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to is right over here. Okay? And that's it for number 8. Okay, number 10. You got 2y minus 3x greater than or equal to 6. I don't really like this kind of reverse, so I'm going to switch it over. Okay. And then from here, I'm going to get my points. So set x equal to 0, then y will also equal to 0. Okay. And number 10 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so it's not over. So if this is 0, this will equal to, y will equal to 3. And if y equal to 0, then x will equal to -2, right? -3 times -2 give you 6. Okay, so go and do the graphing. So 0, 3. And it's going to be a solid dot. And -2, 0. Okay, so connect that. Okay. And do the testing point to see which half. Okay, so use the 0, 0 as my testing point. So put 0, 0 in here. I get 0 is greater than or equal to 6. And this is false. So that means this point is no good. This is false. That means this side is good. So change this half. Okay, number 12. You have 2x plus y is greater than or equal to -4. Okay, so you can get your intercept points. So that x equal to 0, then y will equal to -4. If y equal to 0, x will equal to -2. Right? Again, test. 2 times -2 give you -4. Okay, so let's go and do the graphing. So the first point is 0, -4. Okay, so it's going to be right over here. And next point is -2, 0. Okay, and it's going to be a solid line because of this over here. So it's going to give you a solid line. Again, use 0, 0 as my testing point. So put in here 0, 0. So all this is going to be 0. So I get 0 is greater than or equal to -4. So this is true. So this point is true. That means this half is good. Okay. So what it means that all the points on this half is going to be part of the answer. Okay. Okay, so number 14, you have 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 11. Okay, so you can so this is not a nice point, but that's okay. Okay, so there x equal to 0, you're going to get -11/3. I just divide both sides by -3. And this one, if you make this equal to 0, you're going to get 11/2. Okay. First point is 0, so this is about -3 2/3. Okay, so it's going to be right over here, -1, -2, 3 2/3. Okay, and then next one is 11/2 is 5.5. Okay. Okay. Okay, then you just go and graph that. Okay, and do the testing point again. Use any point that is not on the line. So easiest point is 0, 0. So put 0, 0 in here. You're going to get 0 is less than or equal to 11. Right? When you put 0 in here, 0 in here, all this becomes 0. So this is true. So this is true. So that means your graph is on this half. Okay. Next one is number 16. Okay, you have 4 times 2x minus 1 plus 6 is less than or equal to 3 times 4x plus 2. Okay, so first you need to do is go and work out get rid of the parentheses and put in some kind of standard form. So go and multiply, so you got 8x minus 4 plus 6 is less than or equal to 12x plus 6. Okay, so I'm going to move, this one has only one variable, so we can actually solve. Okay. Okay, so let's go and move all the variable to this side, move all the number to the other side. So minus 12x minus 12x. So this will cancel out. Then I'm going to move this over. So this will give me 2. So I need to minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 will even out with that. So I need to minus 2 on this side. So that this will all cancel out. So I get negative 4x is less than or equal to 4. Okay. And then I need to, since I have only one variable, I can just go and solve already. So divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4. So I get x. Now remember, when you divide by negative number, you have to change the direction for inequality. Okay. Okay, so for this one, you will just have the vertical line. So negative 1. Okay, so here's your negative 1, and it's a started line. And you want everything that's greater than, so it'll be over here. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 18, you have 5 times y minus 1 plus 4 is less than or equal to 2 times 3y plus 2. Okay, so you can work everything else. So you got 5y minus 5 plus 4 less than or equal to 6y plus 4. Minus 6y on both sides to get rid of that. And I need to move this over. Okay, so I need to plus 1 so that I can get all this. So 4 plus 1 minus 5 will give you 0, right? So you need to plus 1. So from here, I get negative y is less than or equal to 5. Then you have to divide by negative 1. So I get y is greater than or equal to negative 5. Okay, so to graph that. Okay, so it's negative 5. And this is going to be a started line.
For those in the SAC upstairs, Stoker, Black Mouse, the seniors are coming up. If you want to open your windows and wave as they come up in the SAC. And then they were going through the gym diagonal and then winding up in the Founders Hall. So for those in the Founders Hall, if you want to open up your blinds in about 2 or 3 minutes as they walk around that, you could wave to the seniors on their walk. Thank you.
Okay, so from here it's greater than or equal to, so it's going to be on the top half. Okay, let's go to the next one, number 20. You got x over 2 minus y over 2 is less than equal to, is less than 1. Okay, so this one, okay, again, this is called the intercept form, but you can just do the same thing. Okay, you just set the x equal to 0, so it's gone. Now to get y, you have to multiply by negative 2, so it would be negative 2. Okay, so again, negative 2. You just multiply, instead of divide, you have to multiply by negative 2 to get rid of that, and so you get that. Okay. Now if you let y equal to 0, okay, now this one you multiply, so you're going to get 2, right? And this is called intercept. Notice the number, see the number is over here already. Okay, okay, so let's go and graph that. Okay, so the first point is 0, -2. And it's going to be an open circle, right, because there's no equal. And then this one is 2, 0. Okay, again, it's going to be an open circle, and it's going to be a dashed line. Okay, then do the testing point. I can choose 0, 0. So you put in here, all is going to become 0. So you're going to get 0 is less than 1. So this is true. So your graph would be on this half. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, number 22. You got y over 3 minus x over 2 is greater than 1. You have to be careful, these are kind of reversed. So if you let x equal to 0, then y will equal to 3. If you let y equal to 0, then x will equal to -2. Right? I can just cross multiply. Okay, so go ahead and sketch. So 0, 3. Okay, open circle, and -2, 0. Okay, and this would be a dashed line. And use your testing point at 0, 0. Put in here, you're going to get 0 greater than 1. Okay, so this is false. So then this point is bad, so you have to shade in this half. Okay. Okay, 24. Okay, you got 4x minus 3y over 5 minus 2x minus y over 2 greater than or equal to 2 over 5. So this one is a bit messy, so let's go and get rid of fraction and we can solve. So multiply by LCD, so multiply by 10. So when you cancel, you get 2. So you get 8x minus 6y. This one you cancel, you get 5. Now you have to be careful, that's a -5, right? So -5 times 2x give you a minus 10x. -5 times -y will give you plus 5y. So be careful with the positive negative. And this one, you cancel, you get 4. Okay, so now we can go and combine the like terms. So I get -2x minus y is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so from here, again, you can get your intercept points. So that x equal to 0, then y will equal to -4, right? Negative times -4 give you +4. Then you let y equal to 0, then this would be -2, right? -2 times -2 give you 4. Okay, then go ahead and get your points, get your intercepts. So 0, -4. And it's going to be a solid dot. And you got -2, 0. Okay, and connect the dots. Do the testing point, 0, 0. So put 0, 0 in here. You're going to get 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So this is false. So that means this point is no good. So it means you have to shading off this part over here. Okay.